Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the promo code error on Uber Eats and start saving money while ordering your favorite food. First, go to the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on iPhone and search for the Uber Eats app. Click on the app and make sure it's up to date. Next, if you're using Android, open your settings, go to the apps section, scroll down, and find the Uber Eats app. Tap on it and go to the storage, then click Clear Cache. Now, if you're using an iPhone, go to Settings, click General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Find Uber Eats and tap Offload App. If the error still isn't fixed, whether you're on Android or iPhone, close the Settings app and go back to the Play Store or App Store. Uninstall the app, then install it again. Once it's downloaded and reinstalled, the promo code error should be fixed. That usually does the trick. Thanks for watching.